What is going on, everybody? All right, guys, check it out. I got a new honey hole. Check it out. Wow. Dryers, stoves, garage door openers. Yeah, Grandpa is blessed today. I'm gonna load all this stuff up. Look at all the goodness. Just before I stopped here, I stopped at my other new honey hole, which is Labonte Plumbing, Oak Island. He's a great guy. I've known him for a lot of years. This one here is Jamerson dryer vent cleaning, another one of my honey holes. And that's what we're picking up today. But like I said, we just picked up these two hot water heaters, and they take off all the goodness on them. But like any brass, they take it off, apparently. And yeah, on this particular honey hole, I don't get any of that, but I do get their water heaters. And Jamerson Appliance gives me all of their garage door openers. Oh, I'm sorry, Jamerson garage door openers. Also known as Jamerson dryer vent cleaning or Jamerson appliances, blah, blah, blah. He's got a lot of stuff going on. Anyway, let's get this stuff loaded. But it is. Hey, buddy, better come get these things before somebody else steals them. Because somebody's been stealing stuff back here. So I got a motor, a cord, and an aluminum pole. All right, third stop for today, and these things are terrible. I will never buy another tent like that in my life. If it rains and you have your tent left up, 9 times out of 10, just think it's gonna collapse. So anyways, now I'm just seeing this out here. This is my brother-in-law's flat top, a grill or whatever. The problem with these things, they rust. I mean, it's almost impossible to keep them daggum things from just purely rusting. And then who wants to eat off of that? So stick with a grill, in my opinion. A few pots and pans. We'll throw these in the back of the truck because they're aluminum. Take the handles off. Some of them are stainless steel. Just have to do a little scratch test or grinder test on it to find out. But I'll put this stuff in the back of my truck. And yeah, let's get this stuff loaded. I'll see you in a minute. I was just thinking about this piece here and how much of a pain in the butt they are, and sometimes even just a pain in the butt to get in the trailer. They take up so much room, and they're a pain in the butt. But guess what? Ta-da! DeWalt pruner. I've got it in my truck. I think it's going to work perfect for this. I could probably make pretty quick work out of this. Let's give it a shot. OMG. Yeah. Okay, works for me. That works for me. Yeah, look at that. Oh, I had 2 of them. Oh, man, oh man. Hey, oh my word, I'm good for that. Look at that. Yep. All right, I'll see you in a minute. I'm gonna make this into small pieces. That's what I'm talking about. So I turned that big old piece of artwork that would have been a pain in the butt to throw in my trailer and even just be on top of everything into that very quickly. All right, let's get the rest of this on here. We're out, heading back to the house. Headed back to the house. Got a few things taken out of my trailer. Haven't decided what I'm going to do with it yet. Can it be cleaned up? Can it be sold? 20 bucks, 30 bucks? I don't know. Still got all this stuff in here. I'm not going to be taking all this stuff out necessarily. I'm going to be coming in here and just popping off these, the heads off of these things, pull them out, take the motors out of them because they all have, well, let me see. They all do have a nice little copper motor. That was a pretty good size one actually up in there. You can't see it too good from here, but boy, I wish I could find out what I could do with these chains. They're like bicycle chains. Seems like somebody could use all them chains like that. Man alive, there's a lot of chains just to be thrown away. Anyways, a few things that I picked up. I'm going to get some of the goodness out of there. But in the meantime, I'm going to start with what got dropped off at my house this week, guys. Check it out. Grandpa is blessed. While I was gone, my son, when I got back, said, hey, Somebody dropped off something over in the yard next door. I was like, oh, okay. So I come over here and look, and this is what it is. I was like, are you kidding me? Right now, this thing is massive. So today's project, get this thing cleaned up and out of my yard. So I'm gonna stack up the stuff for one right there. I'll go back, get all that stuff out of my trailer, load it in, and yeah, we're gonna see what we can make on this thing. I think if I can do it right, I've got a few things that need to go. We can actually make a trip to the scrapyard today and get rid of this stuff. So we'll see what happens. I'm gonna put this thing on a tripod. I'm just gonna go to work on this thing. My GoPro's not charged up yet, so I'm not gonna use it for today. Just my phone, so stick with me. Let's get to work. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and subscribe my grandpa. What's next? What's next? What's next? You know what's next. You need to ring that bell so you're notified next time I put out a video so you don't miss it. And we'll see you on the next one. And yeah, you know what the next one is.